Today I'd like to introduce our range of ultra-fast delivery changing room benches, which are available directly from stock. The floor-mounted changing room bench seat has a U-shaped grey frame and waterproof solid-grade laminate slats, suitable for use in wet or dry changing room environments. These benches are available from stock and are available in 600mm, 900mm and 1200mm lengths. Stock colours are grey, mottled grey, wood grain, white, green, bright green or dark wood, and come with a grey metal frame. Just use the colour picker on our website to visualise and order your colour. Bespoke sizes and colours are available and can be priced on inquiry. And the bench is approximately 400mm high and can be adjusted up to about 440mm using the adjustable feet. The bench can be fixed to any floor using the floor fixing anchor brackets. A matching wall-mounted close-hook rail board is also available in 600mm, 900mm and 1200mm lengths. This range of superior benches is ideal for installation in any changing room environment. They are popular in school, leisure centres and workplace washrooms. This floor-mounted bench seat is designed for installation on a changing room perimeter where no wall fixing is necessary. And you can see more information about our range of changing room benches on our website or contact us using the details that follow this video.